Hello students, although I have taught you letter writing earlier also, but this year also for class 11, formal letter writing is there in your syllabus, so I am going to teach you the same. So there are 8 basic parts of formal letter. First is sender's address. At the left top, you will write the sender's address. Very first, suppose you have to write 36 Japlinganj, Balia. So you will write 36, comma, Japlinganj, and Balia should be written in the second line. And after that, date must be there. So you must follow the format of mix in writing the date, like 10th March 2020. So you will write 10 in digit, and after that th, and then March in words, and after that comma, and 2020 in digits. Okay. The third part of your letter writing is receiver's address. After that you will write the receiver's address, who is receiving the letter in 2-3 lines. And the fourth part of the formal letter is subject. So you must write the subject, about what you are writing the letter. And after writing the subject, you should write salutation like dear sir or dear ma'am, etc. And after a comma, you will write the body of the letter. So whatever the letter is, what content you want to write is given in the question, and then you will write the body of the letter. And whenever you are ending the body of the letter, the seventh part is complimentary close. Complimentary close means where you are writing yours faithfully or yours truly, etc. And at the last, name and or signature. You can write only name, or you can write your name with signature. So there are 8 basic parts you must remember. First is sender's address, after that date, after that receiver's address, after that subject, and after that salutation, and then body of the letter, and then complimentary close, and at the last your name or signature. Thank you very much. So the pattern of letter writing we have already studied. Now we will do a sample question so that it should be clear in your minds. So now we will take a sample question. So you can write your sample question. There are many students who do not have the opportunity to get guidance about their future career or for the selection of subjects at the school or college level. Write a letter to the director Doordarshan requesting him to introduce a regular program on career counseling for students of the country. So you have to write a letter to the director of Doordarshan for a program of career counseling on Doordarshan, so that the students of the whole country can be benefited. So you will start the letter. Here is the answer. Sender's address. So sender's address is not given here, no input is there. So you can give any address, ABC Colony, Delhi. And any date you can select to write. That I have written 21st September 2020. And after that, the receiver's address, the director, Doordarshan, Delhi. Here you must be aware that no comma should be given at the last of any line in the address. Okay, your subject is program on career counseling. आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो एक प्रोग्राम आप चाहते हैं करियर काउंसलिंग से रिलेटेड दूरदर्शन पे, तो सब्जेक्ट आपने वो लिख दिया, प्रोग्राम ऑन करियर काउंसलिंग. Now we will start the salutation, dear sir, and we will start the body of the letter. I would like to humbly request you to start a new program on, since the board is not sufficient, so I will erase this board and this letter is continued on the next. Okay, thank you very much. So students, we are continuing the letter. Here it is continued on career counseling on a weekly basis, so that the students can get proper guidance to select their subjects and careers. You have designed the content of the letter by yourself. This would help them not to be misled by touts and agents. तो बिचौलियों और दलालों से जो गलत इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है उससे बच सकें स्टूडेंट, and also from the confusion that is created because of incomplete information. तो जो इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है करियर के बारे में उससे भी स्टूडेंट बच पाएँ. काइंडली डू समथिंग फॉर दिस एट द अर्लीस्ट. सो महोदय कृपा करके इस बारे में जल्दी से जल्दी कुछ करने की कोशिश कीजिए. थैंकिंग यू. एंड हियर इज द 7th पार्ट. योर्स फेथफुली, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज. योर्स फेथफुली. एंड सिंस नेम वाज नॉट गिवन in your input, so XYZ. Okay, thank you.